How to make money as a teenager cleaning trash bins. I want to teach you guys how to start your own business, start your own side hustle, cleaning bins, trash bins, recycling bins, yard bins. I charge $20 each bin, and I just arrived at the property, and I'm gonna take you guys on my job today, cleaning bins. I'm gonna teach you guys today how to start a business on a small budget and to be successful at it. Alrighty, so let's do this. Alrighty, so I already rinsed all the bins. I just do a pre-rinse. I get rid of any debris that's in there. I put it in the bag. You know, then I have that piece I gotta grab right now. I just do a pre-rinse. Get all the debris out for the most part. We're about to scrub them right now. See how they're still dirty? So I did a pre-rinse. Now we're gonna put this soap on there, and now we're gonna scrub the bins. All right, so this is a step where I go ahead and attach it to my bottle nozzle right here, and then with soap in it and water, and then I go ahead and just spray them all down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this scrub brushes to scrub them down and clean them. Then the last step is going to be to spray it down with bleach and Clorox bleach and bacteria bleach to where it kills the bacteria and sanitizes everything. Alrighty, so I just scrubbed them, and then now I'm going to sanitize them to make sure I kill any bacteria or viruses that could be on these bins, just from like germs and dirt and stuff like that. So I just use Clorox. All I gotta do is spray it on and then rinse it off. That's it. Alrighty guys, so this is a finished product. That's one trash bin. This is another bin. I'm gonna drain that water out. There's another bin. I couldn't get that other part off. You guys can also buy like a little scraper and just scrape it off. It's not the end of the world, guys. It is trash bins, or it is bins. Like next time the recycling like waste management or comes through to pick these bins up and recycle and pick up the trash, they're gonna get dirty again. It's just a big improvement from what it was. You guys want to remind yourself that. So that's it. Then I just go ahead and I'll try to let them air dry a little bit. See, I gotta let this one drain out a little bit. So I let it drain. Alrighty. So if you guys scrub it with that blue brush here, if you scrub it with this blue brush here, and the debris and the stuff doesn't come off with that brush, you guys want to go ahead and use another brush. So this airplane go by. Alrighty, so if you guys can't get the stuff off with that blue brush over there, get more of you want both of the brushes. And then this brush is it's more stiffer. It'll clean the bins that are harder to clean easier for you. Make sure you guys always use personal protective equipment, PPE, if I said that right. So you guys want to make sure you guys wear gloves, because sometimes you'd be cleaning you know, bins and yard bins and trash bins, and you know, that's why you're doing it. It's bacteria, you know, they're viruses and germs, so protect yourself. Get some gloves. I don't really recommend these gloves because you want to have like latex gloves. Those are preferred, but I use this one. And then make sure you guys have lots of water. And what else here? That's about it. So I plugged into their water source, and I plugged into their power. So when you're scheduling your services, you just want to make sure that you advise them that you're going to be doing that. It's not a big deal. You may think it's a big deal, but your clients don't care. They want to get their bins cleaned, and that's why you're here to do it. Because even if people know how to do something, honestly, let's be honest here, like most people won't do it, don't want to do it, because, you know, if they can pay you $20 each bin to come out here and clean the bins, they much more prefer that. So get out of that mindset of worrying about minimum wage, because who cares about minimum wage when you guys can come out here and make your own business happen and provide for yourself and your family. Okay, would you rather make $20 each bin, or, you know, $12 an hour? I don't even honestly know what minimum wage is in the state of California, so just don't worry about that stuff. Start your own business, work smart, not harder, and make it happen. Alrighty, so always make sure that you keep a trash bag. Always make sure that you keep a trash bag with you, and that you pick up the trash, any trash that comes out of the bins or debris, that you pick it up before you leave. See, like that over there, here, this stuff right here. I always power wash the area that I was servicing in, and just want to make sure you pick your trash, because when your client comes out here and they see their front yard, or they pull up, whatever the case is, they don't want to see trash on their street, and the neighbors don't want to see trash from when they saw somebody working at their home or their next door neighbor's house. That's unprofessional. So if you guys want to get called back and grow this business, you guys want to make sure you guys clean up after yourself. Alrighty, that's it. Make sure that you guys always put the bins back where you found them. And I like to keep the trash bins, the yard bins, and the recycling bins, the lids open, for that any water can evaporate. Alrighty, and that's it. That's it. Collect your money, and then on to the next one, or, you know, call it a day. It's up to you. You like double the product.